How to turn off dark mode on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode on Twitter. And if at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to do is to open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter guys, come to this top left corner and click on your profile picture. Then after that, go ahead and click on settings and support. When you click on settings and support, click on settings and privacy. Now from there, scroll up and search for accessibility and display and languages. Click on it. Then it will bring you to this page. Now under this page, go ahead and click on the second option, which is display. Now you can see under this display and sound, see media, display, sound and all that. Just go ahead and click on this display, which is dark mode. Then click on this button, which is the off. You can see it has changed the mode. So guys, that is how to turn off dark mode on Twitter. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.